Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to do a product review. I just bought this is Tillreda. This is a stove. This is called induction cooking stove. So induction cooker. So let's see how it works. And so first we will do the unboxing. So that's it. We have here instructions, cooking instructions, how to use this product. We will see later on. Just phones. So let's uncover this. Very nice, very shiny, looks very good. So the induction stoves, they are a special type of conduction material in which they don't use the heat. Actually, they heat up the pot which is over it. So it has a glass top, and this area is where the induction will happen. So we turn it on now. It gives a beep, and now let's see, it's unlocked. So we will unlock it. This is unlocked now, and it's on now. So as I on it, turn it on, it is giving E1 error. It means that there is no pot over it, so it will not turn on. And as you can see, I can touch anything and it's not hot. For induction stove, we need induction ready pots like this one. This is induction stainless steel. So this piece of metal is iron like this. So this iron is needed to get it hot on this stove. So as soon as I turn it on, there is a fan which is working, keep this thing cool. So now we will test it with 1 liter of water. So we will check how much time it takes to heat up 1 liter of water. So this water I will put here now. I will just check the temperature of my this water. Let's see how it is. It's 25 degrees centigrade, and we will see that how much time it takes to boil this water to a roaring boil. So as you can see, this is 25 degrees centigrade, this one. So we will now turn it on again. So now I put it on full power, that is 2000 watt, and turn on my timer. Let's see how much time it takes to heat up this 1 liter of water in a compatible pan. So now I can see that these small bubbles are forming on the base. It's very quick actually. This if we heat it with if we heat it with normal flame, gas flame, it takes quite a time to reach to this stage. And now already water is 42 degrees centigrade within 50 seconds. So quick, so quick. So we'll just wait a little bit. Only downside is that there is some noise of the fan, and since I do recording for my cooking videos, so I don't know, maybe this will interfere my sound recording a bit, but I will try to find a solution for this one. So the water is boiling very fast. It's 1 minute and 30 seconds and temperature is 61 already. Okay, other thing is we are at a height of almost 6,000 feet. So here the water boils around 94 degrees centigrade instead of 100 degree. So we will just visually see how much the boil, and we will decide. And also we have a temperature gauge here. It will show us when it becomes stable. Probably I have my experience that it's usually at 94 degrees centigrade. So it's already 88 and we are at less than 3 minutes. It's 250 seconds and its water is now on a roaring boil. It's boiling very fast and the temperature is 92 or 93 degrees centigrade, and you can see it's now full boil. It took only 3 minutes for 1 liter of water to boil at a roaring boil. So, and my temperature is now at 93 degrees centigrade, fixed now. It's not going up. So here at this altitude, it's like that. It's boiled at 93 or 94 degree centigrade. So yes, that's it. As soon as I will take this pan out, water boils, immediately stops, and yes, this is not very hot. It's only hot because of this pan. Otherwise the sides are not hot at all, and I can touch it. It's still on and I can touch it. There is no pan, so it is not working. So absolutely wonderful product, and it's amazingly fast, very fast cooking. If you have a pan like this, it's very nice pan, but it's aluminum. It will not work on this stove, in the induction stove. So we will need to have pans which are ferrous or have magnetic base. So otherwise this will not work. This pan is carbon steel. This is non-stick inside and it is carbon steel, so definitely it will work here. Very nice. So this is my initial review of this Ikea Tillreda Induction cooking stove, and I will be making some cooking videos over here, and we will see how it works. Initial thoughts are that it's very fast for heating up things, so I think we will have to modify our cooking technique because we are not used to so fast cooking and heating pans. So let's see how it works, but I can recommend that this is a nice product, and I bought it for 218 Saudi Riyal. It's not very expensive, and of course it needs electricity and special pans. That is the downside only. Thank you very much for listening.